30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Day 3. Build confidence with simple sentences. Want to know the fastest way to become more confident in English? Stop trying to speak perfectly. Start speaking simply. Today, you'll discover how simple sentences can make you sound more fluent and confident immediately. Let's go. Part 1. The biggest mistake English learners make. Many English learners believe this. To sound fluent, I need difficult grammar and advanced vocabulary. But that's not true. In fact, this belief often creates fear. Imagine someone asks, "What do you usually do on weekends?" Instead of answering naturally, your brain starts searching for the perfect grammar, the perfect vocabulary, the perfect sentence. And suddenly, you freeze. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many learners know more English than they think. The problem isn't knowledge. The problem is confidence. And confidence grows through speaking, not through waiting for perfection. Part 2. Why simple sentences are powerful. Here's a secret. Native speakers use simple sentences all the time. For example, I'm tired, I'm hungry, like this. I don't know, let's go. Simple, short, natural, and very effective. Fluency isn't about speaking complicated English. Fluency is about expressing your ideas comfortably and clearly. Think about a child learning a language. They don't start with difficult sentences. They start simple and then they grow. You can do the same. Part 3. The confidence formula. Today, I want you to remember this formula. Simple sentence plus repetition. Confidence. The more you successfully say simple sentences, the more your brain realizes, hey, I can speak English, and confidence starts growing naturally. Let's try a few examples. Instead of saying nothing, say, I like coffee, I like music, I like English. Easy, right? Now change one word. I like movies. I like football. I like reading. Congratulations. You're already creating many English sentences. Part 4. The magic sentence patterns. Now let's learn some simple sentence patterns you can use every day. Pattern number 1. I. Examples. I am happy. I am busy. I am excited. I am learning English. Very useful. Pattern. Number 2. I like examples. I like pizza. I like traveling. I like this song. Pattern number 3. I want examples. I want coffee. I want to sleep. I want to improve my English. These patterns are simple, but they can help you create hundreds of sentences. Part 5. Let's practice together. Okay, let's practice. I'll give you a sentence starter. You complete it. Ready? Number 1. I am. Pause and answer. Great. Number 2. I like. Pause and answer. Excellent. Number 3. I want. Pause and answer. Fantastic. See? You are already speaking English and you didn't need difficult grammar. Part 6. Stop fearing mistakes. Now let's talk about mistakes. Many learners are afraid of making them. But here's the truth. Mistakes are proof that you're practicing. Imagine learning to ride a bicycle. Would you expect to ride perfectly on the first day? Of course not. You wobble, you fall, you learn. Speaking English works the same way. Every mistake teaches you something. Every sentence makes you stronger. So don't ask, what if I make a mistake? Ask, what can I learn from this mistake? That small change in mindset can change everything. Part 7. Speak before you're ready. Another secret fluent speakers know you don't become confident before speaking. You become confident by speaking. Many learners wait for confidence, but confidence is the result of action. The more you speak, the less scary it becomes. Even one simple sentence every day can make a huge difference. Remember, small steps create big progress. Part 8, Day 3, Challenge. Here's your Day 3 challenge. Today, use these 3 sentence patterns at least 10 times. I like, I want. Talk about yourself. Talk out loud. Talk in front of a mirror. Talk while walking. Talk while studying. The goal is simple. Build confidence through simple English. Not perfect English, simple English. Remember, you don't need difficult words to sound confident. You just need the courage to start speaking one simple sentence at a time. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in Day 4 of the 30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Bye.